My name is John Ashley, and I am a citizen of the county. And I would just, like I say, I take great pride in living in Montgomery County. This is one of the original Second Amendment sanctuaries, and I feel that we need to keep that energy going, and we need to make Montgomery County a child death sanctuary. Specifically, I would like to see a law put in place to make it illegal for a judge to give custody of a child to anyone besides a parent when a parent is capable and available, unless probable cause is determined by DSS. There's two different interpretations of the best interest of the child law, and it's being turned into what's the best interest of the state law. One interpretation of the law is coming from DSS. I spoke to Doug Williams of Montgomery County DSS. To receive federal funding, they have to try to return children to their parents. So as a 100% undisputed fact, DSS says that as long as a parent isn't a danger to the child's best interest is to be with that parent. My child's mother came here from Colorado, and she gave our child to some distant family members. They never filed for any adoption paperwork, and they said in court that they only wanted to be given temporary custody. As there is no short-term custody, and there is only custody, after being given custody, they were allowed to change their mind. Now, the same family court judges that hear these DSS cases hear my cases, where I never failed a drug test. I always worked. I always maintained my own place, and that tells me that, and those same judges tell me that it will never be in my child's best interest to live with me. Keeping me from my child makes the state of Virginia money. Social Security Act Title IV, Part D, is what the state collects in child support from its residents is matched and given to the state by the federal government for general use. Since judges are appointed and not elected, any judge who opposes this can easily be replaced. I asked Doug Williams about DSS foster parents changing their mind to be able to keep a child, and got a very long explanation of how this could not happen. I've asked local prosecutor and sheriff for a multi-county grand jury. What I have said today is just a little part of my situation, and they have declined. No, this confirms that every single thing about the manipulation of the best interest of the state/child law. By the way, if you get into a car accident tonight and get a hospital for an extended period of time, someone has to be given custody of your child to legally be able to give them medical appointments and to take them to school. What if those people change their mind and decide to keep your kid? And what if a judge refuses to return your child, which in this situation is completely legal? Think they wouldn't do it? They've done it to me. So I'd like to see a law change where children cannot be taken from their parents when the parent hasn't done anything wrong. I'll probably be back next time with more stuff, so thank you.